Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maggie, and I want to show you how I get my pink manicure for Valentine's Day or for February. So I actually wanted coffin nails or just like pointy-ish nails, and I had a hard time with this. As you can see, the ring finger on the left hand broke, which was what I was just showing you. So I had to cut it down and remove the coffiny part of it. Anyways, more about that later. I used this Zoya nail polish remover to remove the nail polish that I had. I really did like it, and I like the bottle of it too. It was very easy to use, and you don't get it everywhere. Alrighty, now it is time to shape the nails in that coffin shape. So I switched to glass nail files. No one told me about this before, and I couldn't believe I've gone so long without using a glass nail file. Anyways, it's my new favorite. I've been using this all the time. It's supposed to be better for your nails too, so it was awesome. Anyways, as I was saying, I ended up breaking this ring finger here, so it doesn't have like the pointy shape that all the others do. Spoiler alert, I ended up breaking another nail off, and I was over it, so I just cut the nails off and went very short for the rest of the month. So yeah. But this would be a good month to try the coffin nails, but they're just really hard to maintain if they are your natural nail. Anyways, you want to go ahead and buff the nails as well. This little kit that I got it from Amazon. Just Google glass nail files in Amazon and you'll find tons of kits, which is what I did. Alrighty, so yes, I'm just buffing the tops of the nails, and now it's time to use a dehydrator. This is going to remove any oils that I have on the tops of my nails. And I've seen them do this before at the nail salons. I just had no idea for what. Well, that's what that's for. So good to know. It does not leave a polish on your nails at all. It's literally just removing the oil or anything that build up on the nails. Alrighty, so now it is time, if you needed to use a nail strengthener. I'm going to skip this step for now. This one is Nail Envy by OPI, and I felt like I didn't need it, but I honestly should have put that on. I'm using this Cugio base coat to sort of, obviously put it as a base for my nails. I really like this wand, this brush. It is very wide, and I do like that. Thankfully, I don't have like stains on my nails. But yes, as I was saying, if you needed the nail strengthener, that would have been before this one here. So now I'm going to go ahead and let that sit for a minute and then apply my color. The one that I'm using is Another Romantic Evening and Big Bow Energy. The Big Bow Energy is my color of the year, so I'm going to place that on one fingernail every month. In this one, I'm going to place it on the ring finger on the left hand. So yes, it is the one that is your wedding ring finger because it is the month of love. So I'm going to use that for now as the top coat or the base coat or first layer, I guess, first coat of the color. And then I'm going to let that dry, and then I'll come back and put it on again. For these like pastel colors, I really like to do 2 coats of the color. Anytime it has like white as a base, which is like a pastel color, you almost always have to do 2 coats. Also, capping the nail, this is putting some of the color at the bottom as well so that it doesn't chip as easy. So yeah, also just like painting that bottom part of the nail. The this color pink doesn't really need 2 coats, but I went ahead and put 2 coats on. And then I'm going to try to do the other hand. Why is it that my right hand is always so much harder to use? And I was out of frame, so I do apologize for that as well. Alrighty, just keep going. As I said, cap the nails. I do my own nails now. This whole year I shall be doing my own nails because I just experienced a lot of damage in my nails when I was doing them at the salon. Alrighty, using my Cugio High Gloss Top Coat, I'm just going to put the top coat, and there was a lot of time in between these to let them dry. Just FYI, the magic of editing, but there's lots of time in between so that it can dry. Here you can see the difference in the nails. Also, I pulled out this candle, and yeah, I really like to make my nail polish routine just a really relaxing one. So pull out your candles, read a book, or put on an audiobook or music, and just enjoy. Anyways, are my nails for this month. As you can see, the time changed. I also want to apply a lotion. So I really like this Cugio milk and honey butter lotion. It was so good. I got this little sample. Otherwise, I'd be using my Bath and Body paraffin hand cream. Anyways, these are the nails for the month. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you very soon. Alrighty, have a good one. Bye, guys.